guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akimunti. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you so much for joining the family. In today's video, we have another unit from Love Me Hair. Thank you so much to Love Me Hair for sending this one out to me. So let's go ahead and unbox, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the unit.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Alright you guys, so this is her straight out of the pack, and this one is their Pattern Max Glueless Wig Loose Body Wave 7x6 Closure HD Lace Wig. This one is 100% human hair, of course. She comes with one comb on each side in front, one comb at the back, our adjustable straps, the extra elastic band, and this is what the hairline is looking like. The lace on this one is looking good, and the hairline already comes pre-plucked and all of that good stuff. Knots are already bleached, and it already comes parted as a right part, and this is like a deep C part that we have going on. But of course you can switch to a middle part, to a right part, whatever it is, because you have enough, you know, room to work with. But I'm kind of thinking I'm going to leave this part that we have going on. We're going to see how that turns out. I'm just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with the final thoughts. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are
real quick you guys, I know that earlier I was telling you guys that this unit comes with an adjustable strap at the back, but apparently it doesn't. I don't know why I thought I saw an adjustable strap, but it doesn't come with one. We only have one comb at the back, and there's this thing, I don't know what I'll call it now. It looks like a silicone thing inside, like we have that all through. I guess it's supposed to help grip the back of the hair, but we do have the extra elastic band just in case you want to wear it glueless. So yeah, I just thought to point that out, that we do not have no adjustable straps, just this silicone thing all through at the back.
All the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind, and that she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you, cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way.
Alright, you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and wow, you guys, this one is a must-have in my opinion. Before we start talking too much in this video, go add her to your cart right now, because what? Love Me Hair did their thing with this unit, you guys. Absolutely love it. If you like the look of frontals but you don't like to install it, or maybe you're a beginner and you don't want to have to worry about, you know, installing your frontals, I think this one is such a great option. It gives you, you know, that look of a frontal, but you know that you're not wearing a frontal. And guess what, you guys? This one is glueless. Like, there's no form of glue on this unit, you guys. See, there's no form of glue. This is glueless. Love it, you guys. Love it. And styling, you guys, heavy on the effortless styling. Can we get into her? I didn't even have to do nothing, you guys. I already had my curling iron out, right? But I'm like, I think I'm kind of feeling the curls that she does come with, and I don't think there's a need to. And to be honest, there's no need to go in again with my curling iron, because as much as I love wearing wigs and as much as I, you know, review wigs here, I'm a lazy wig wearer. If it already comes with curls and the curls look great, best believe I'm not curling nothing. So I really love when a unit comes curled, already comes, you know, styled to an extent, and I don't have to worry about too much styling. And this one is definitely one of them. You don't have to do too much to her. She already comes parted to the right for you, unless maybe you want to switch to, you know, like a left part or like a right part or whatever it is that you want to do. Then you might have to worry about, you know, styling her up a bit. But you can wear this one straight out of the pack, you guys. Straight out of the pack. I love this unit. I love it. This curls, everything that we have going on, gorgeous. And I didn't really experience any form of tangling with her. The texture on this one, super soft and bouncy and all of that good stuff. Shedding was pretty minimal, just a couple of strands came off while I was brushing it out, but definitely nothing too crazy and nothing to worry about. And if your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I definitely feel like this one is going to work for you, because she does feel really comfortable on my head. It is snug and firm, and I definitely can go out without gluing this one out, but I still feel like I have wiggle room in there, lots of wiggle room actually. So if your head is bigger than mine, I definitely feel like this one will work for you. And I think we've pretty much covered everything, you guys. This one is a 10 over 10 in my opinion. I love it. Highly recommended by me. I'm going to have the direct links and every information that you need written in my description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.